If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update today. Alright, so back to the daily time frame. I talked about the EMAs yesterday, that we are down to backtest the 10 EMA, which is not a bad thing, to be honest with you. I don't think there's anything wrong with JASMY right now, and as far as I see things, this can actually even be an amazing entry offer from JASMY. Actually, if you look at it this way, you got a nice beautiful high frequency doji right there, which is a decisive doji. It actually, pushed to the upside, came down like this. You made that doji, and the last time you made the doji, look what happened. You pushed to the upside, right? So basically we have something like this. I'm just gonna lay it down simple for you. You got a bull cross and you popped out like this, and you have made a confirmation of a bull cross, and you did the most healthiest thing to correct down and backtest the EMA, and then you bounced off the EMA. Not only you bounced off the EMA, but you also broke this resistance and this pattern right here, and that pattern takes you all the way up to 7900. This is in play. This target is in play unless you don't come down to 4448. You don't want to come down there. So continuing on with what I was saying, you push to the upside, backtest the EMA, push to the upside, backtest the EMA again. It's even okay to even backtest the 20, to be honest with you. And that's why I say, if you do come down to 4448 and start to lose this 55 as well, then that bull cross gets invalidated, and right now it's just like you're trading a bull cross. So basically that's all to say right now, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.